How do I assemble the runner balance bike? It's really very simple. Unpack all the parts and check the enclosure list. Wheels, frame with the seat, front wheel fork, handlebar with bell, hanger for various small items, carrying strap, wrench, 2 screws, 2 axles with plastic caps, and the manual. Take the wheel fork and remove the tie rod. Slide the frame into the wheel fork, right here, and insert the tie rod again from the top of the fork. Mount the handlebar and tighten the screws with the wrench supplied. Time for mounting the front wheel. You will need these smaller white sleeves. Insert the sleeves into the wheel bearings. Now, place the wheel in the fork, insert the axle with the cap on the other side, and tighten. Keep turning until you feel resistance. The same applies to the rear wheel. Here you need to use these large white sleeves. Place the wheel between the sides of the frame. Insert the axle and the cap. Caution, the cap on the side with a larger hole. Now tighten. You're almost done. There is also a treasure bag which you need to hang on the handlebar. Your child would certainly like it and fill it up with lots of things. The runner is very lightweight and has a hole in the frame which makes it easy to carry. And it's even easier to do this with the carrying strap included. Ready? Let's go!